Okay, good. So what we are going to do today is about areas and perimeter. So I will present the questions and how to approach it to you. We'll now do questions together, because we do have common questions you will likely see when you are doing your functional skill level 2 maths exam. So this guy is about to so let's just start with it. So when you say perimeter of a shape, perimeter is the sum of all the sides of that shape. So for example now, you can see this shape on the screen. So when you add all of them together, that is the perimeter. So you add, for example, now this is a line now with length of 5 centimeters, 5 meters, and a width of 3 meters. So you just need to add 5 because you have 2 lengths there. You add 5 plus 5, then 3 plus 3. So the sum is going to be 16. So the sum of all the lengths is what? That's the perimeter. So is it clear?
Yes.
Okay, good. So I just want to I know some of you probably know this thing, but I just want you to just to refresh, and I will do questions that are a bit not straightforward for you guys. So when you want to find area of a shape too, the area of a shape is what? Just multiply the length and the width together. The area of a shape can come in they can just give you the length and the width. So in case they give you the length and the width, just multiply them together. 5 times 3 is 15. So the area of this land is going to be what? 15 meters squared. And in some cases too, they can give you the square box. So if you count all the lengths of the square, if you count how many square boxes are actually there, that one can also give you what? The area. So for example now, if you count the square box yourself, you realize that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So this one will give you what? That's going to be 15 meters square. So if you want to approach it by counting the number of square boxes in there, or if you want to approach it, hello Solomon, can you hear me?
Hello?
Yes.
Hello Solomon, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you now. Yes, yes.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
Good. So I'm just trying to go over areas and perimeters. These are one of the most common questions you find in your in the level 2 exam. And another thing is that when we look at possible questions, it comes out in most of these questions you probably need to use calculator for it.
Okay.
Because the questions are probably in calculator text, section 2 of the text.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. So look at another example now. You can use the area of the shape is what? Length times width. So you multiply this length and width together. 16 times 10 is 32. That gives you what? 2080. You have to put meter squared there to get it right. So because if you put ordinary meters there, you might probably be wrong.
Okay.
Is it clear?
Yes. Okay.
So what about Christiana and Lilian? Is it clear? So any question on this, please? Okay. So can you try this question? The area of a room is measured to be 12 meters by 7 meters. The rectangular room is measured to be 12 meters by 7 meters. So what is the area of this room? So who wants to calculate that? I expect all of you to do it to this question.
84 meters square.
Yeah. Okay. So who got 84 meters square too?
Yeah, I got it. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, that is multiplied by 7. 12
Yes,
multiplied by
12
7.
multiplied by 7. So again, it gives you what? 84 meters squared. Okay, good. So we do a little bit of question that is, let me just put the whiteboard on so we can do the question.
Are they?
Yeah, so.
Then okay.
Okay, it says, we can say this shape is 5 meters. So let me just erase it. So if this one is 12 meters, and they say that this one is also, this is 5 meters. They say that one bag of fertilizer. Now say that one bag of fertilizer can cover 6 meters squared. So now say how many bags will you need to buy? How many bags will you need? How many bags will you need to buy to cover the entire garden? To cover the garden. Who can try it? This is the garden now.
Yeah.
This is the garden.
I think you need to add 12, 5 or 12 ID together. Then give you 4.
This is the garden. This is the area of the garden now.
You're going to need 10 bags.
You say what?
You're going to need 10 bags.
So can you just explain to me how you got it, please?
So I multiply 12 by 5. It's going to be 16 square meters.
Just hold on 1 minute. Just hold on 1 minute. You know the reason why she multiplied 12 times 5? She wanted to find the area of the shape. She wants to know the total area of that garden. That's the reason why she multiplied 12 by 5. So continue, please.
All right.
So I multiply 12 by 5 to know the full area of the garden. It's going to be 60 square meters. 60
meters squared.
60 meters squared, yes. And then I need, if the bag is only 6 meters squared, I need to know how many times I need to fill the full 60 meters. So if you multiply 6 by 10, that is the 10 bags, it's going to be 16.
Yes. Yes. So if you want to know how many bags you can use to fill in the garden, you have to just divide the area by the area of the bag. The area of the whole garden by the area of that bag. So it's going to be what? That's going to be. So let me just use a different pen, different color. So the area equals to length times width. So you now multiply 12 times 5. That's going to be equal to what? 60 meters squared. Then number of bags now will be equal to what? 60 divided by
6.
6. That's going to be equal to what?
10.
10 bags. So can you copy this one down? So then we'll do another question. These are similar. These are questions you will likely see in the exam. So,
Okay.
So don't forget, please. You can. If you want to, just email me if you want me to send you questions on any topic that you want us to. Any topics that we actually did in lesson. If you want to send me more, if you want me to send you more questions, I will send you, please. Have you finished copying?
Yeah.
Who else again is copying?
Don't understand. So how did you get that? So 12 times 5, but where does the 5, the 12 meters there, right? I was thinking, where did the 12 come from?
This is 12, sorry. And this is 5.
So you do 12 times 5?
Yes.
Yeah, okay.
So I got 60. When I multiplied 12 and 5, I got 60. That's the area of the garden, the total area. Then if you want to now find how many bags you can actually use to fit into that garden, so it's going to be 60 divided by the area of the bag, which is 6. So I got 10. So any other question?
No. We got it.
Okay. So I'm going to rub it off now. So. So we do another question. Look at this question now. Betty want to install, yeah? Yes. Look at this question now. Betty wants to install new carpet in her living room. Length of the room is 15 meters and width is 5 meters. The cost of the carpet is 8 pounds per meter square. How much will Betty need? Who wants to try that?
That is 15 by 15.
Yeah, 15 by 15, yeah.
I think it's going to be 2812.
Is that what?
2812? 28.12.
Okay. Who else again is going to try it?
Okay. Just 1 minute.
So it's similar. It's similar to the one I did initially. You have to find the area of the whole city room. Then you have to know how much you think. I wanted to try it before I give you the solution.
I think is it 28.125?
Okay. Who else? Yeah. I think we'll have another person in the class that wants to join. Yeah, you want to try? Okay. I think you mentioned 28.12.
Yeah, 28.125.
Yeah. Who else again wants to try? Okay. So then I will do it now. So you need to find the area first. So you use a different pen for the area. So the area of the shape, we got to what? Length times what times width. That's going to be 15 times 15. So what's that?
It give it 225.
225. It's going to give it 225 meters squared. So that the cost for 1 meter squared is what? It's 8 pounds.
8 pounds, yeah.
So for you to find out, so if the cost for 1 meter square is 8 pounds, how much will it cost for you to do 2 to 5 meters square? For only 1 meter square, it's like you want to. Sorry, it's like you want to go and buy. Maybe you want to buy your book. He said the cost for 1 book is 5 pounds. So how much will it cost you to buy 10 books?
You have to multiply by 8.
Yes, you have to multiply instead, not divide.
Yeah.
Is it okay? Because the cost for 1 meter square is 8. So for 225, it's going to be like 225 times what? Times 8. So what's that?
It give you 1,800. 1,800.
Okay, 1,800 pounds. Yes.
Yeah.
Because I know where you made a mistake was you divided it.
I divided it. Yeah, you're correct. Yeah. Yeah.
So who doesn't get it? So can you explain to me now how you think I got it? Can Solomon start, please? Then the others will follow. Can you explain how I got this thing, please?
Yeah, as you explain, is length, have to use length times width.
Width, yes.
Then that is 15 times 15 give you 225. Then you have to use 8 to multiply 225. Then it gives you 1,800. Sorry?
Why did I multiply 225 by 8?
Yeah. We want to find the cost of the total that will cover all the room, the amount that will cover all the rooms.
Yes.
Since 8 pounds per square meter, and you have to, that we have a total of 225 square meters. So you have to multiply by 8, and it will give you that amount of 1,800 to cover the whole room, to the whole entire room. Yeah.
The whole entire room. So, can Christina explain to me, please? Okay. Who else want to explain? I got it.
Yes, I understand. Yes, I did the same mistake. I divide by 8. I should have multiplied.
Yeah. So, okay, that's fine. So I'll move on to a different question. You just need to like look at it and see how it is. So
I want to ask one question regarding about this math. Do we still are we going to still going to experience something like mixed fractions, something like
you will still have to do that. For example, now I just what I did was basically based on my experience. The most common question there is volume, area, mean. The mean they ask you to do is not just it's not going to be direct. So there's a way you have to apply it.
Okay.
So if you are going to see questions about areas too, you might probably see something like this.
Okay.
They won't ask you to work out the areas directly.
Okay.
They will just ask you that, so how much will it cost? So you have to work out the area to calculate your answer.
Okay.
They won't ask you directly. That's what I actually say. It's functional skills, so they won't ask you directly. Yes.
Okay.
So, yeah, that's it.
Okay.
So we still do fractions too, because fractions is very common, but the fractions are normally word problems. So it's not word you just ask you to add or divide straight away.
So that one is hard, like all those improper fractions, very difficult.
So let's look at this question now. So if you look at this one now, just rub it off. If they draw a shape for you, they can do it this way. So you can say this one is 5 centimeters. This one is, you can see this one is 10 centimeters. And this one is like 8 centimeters. So they can say that this is the shape of an office. You can say this is the office now. So you just put you can say that's the room. You can just put a room there. So they want to apply, they want to do, what's it called? They want to just say, so if you want to find the area of this shape, this one is the compound shape.
Okay.
You can see a rectangle there, and you also see what? Triangle.
That's triangle.
So when you want to do it, this one is just a 10 centimeters. Centimeters. So when you want to find the area of this shape, you find the areas of those shapes separately.
Okay.
This is how to find the area of a triangle. Area of a triangle equals base times height, then you divide it by 2.
Okay.
That's how to do the triangle. So if you have a triangle, this, if this is going to be the base, and this is the height. How tall it is the height, and the base is just this length. So you multiply the height and the base together, then you divide it by 2. That's how to find a triangle. The area of a triangle.
Okay.
Please take note of that. The difference between triangle and rectangle is just you have to have it.
Okay.
You give me a wide rectangle, you just need to just multiply the length and the width together. But in what's it called, in the triangle, in the rectangle, you just multiply the length and the width together. In the triangle, you have to still half it when you finish multiplying it.
So in that case, you do the triangle area, and then you do the rectangle area as well, and then you just add them.
Yes, perfect. Well done.
So like now, the triangle area is 5. So how can you find the number of the height?
That's what I want to show you now. That's what I want to show you.
Yeah.
So that's the room. So in that, when you say, they gave you this to be 8
The height is there already. It's 8.
You say what?
The height is there already. It's 8.
Yeah, it's there already. It's 8. Can you see? This length and this length are the same. So you can write 8 here too.
Okay.
The height is there already.
Okay, I was thinking the other side, the far left side is the triangle. I thought that the length of that area would be much longer than the straight one.
No. This one, you don't use, when you look at a triangle, you don't use this.
Okay, all right.
Don't use that. It's okay. Don't use that.
Okay.
So in that case, the triangle area is going to be 20.
It's 20, yes. Because
and then the other one is going to be 80, and then the total area is going to be 100.
Yes.
Right.
So the area of the triangle is 8 times 5. You now divide it by 2. 8 times 5 is 40. Then divide by 2. That's going to be what? 20 centimeters squared.
Okay.
Is it okay?
Yeah, that's fine. Cool. Yeah.
Then the area of this triangle, the area of the rectangle is going to be what? 10 times,
which is 80.
That's going to be 80.
Yeah. Divided by 2.
No, you can't divide the rectangle by 2.
You can't do that. Okay, all right. I understand now.
Yeah. So you now add them together. 20 centimeters squared plus the 80 centimeter squared. That gives you what? 100.
100. All right, that's cool.
So can you copy it down so we can do different questions?
Yeah, hold on. Yeah.
Okay.
So once you've done all that and it comes to 100 centimeters, then how do you work out the full thing? Do you need to add just 100 centimeters?
Yes, 100 centimeters square. Yeah.
Okay, got it.
So if you are ready, when you're ready, copying this, just let me know.
My tummy. Oh, your tummy. Oh, sorry. Are you okay? My tummy. Oh, sorry. My tummy. My tummy.
So have you finished copying it?
Yeah.
Okay. So what? So let me just have another shape. So this one is sorry. So look at this thing now. They've given you this is the area of the park. So that one person can fit into what? Into 5 meters square. So what is the maximum number of people that can fit in the park? So you have to find the area first before you can know the maximum number of people that can fit in here.
It's 35.
Is that what?
35.
So just try and work it out. Let me see. You know, you have to. How do you get 35?
I got 35 as well.
Yeah. You have to use. You have to use a 10.
Sorry, I think Christian is about to talk.
Okay.
Hello.
No, it's okay. You go, guys.
Okay.
Okay. All right. Continue, Solomon.
Okay. Yeah. The triangle, you have to use 10 times 7.
Mm-hmm.
10 times 7 give you 70.
Mm-hmm.
Then divided by 2.
Mm-hmm.
So it gave you 35.
Yeah.
Then 20 times 7.
Mm-hmm.
20 times 7 give you 140.
Mm-hmm.
Then you add it together, 140 plus 35, it gives you 175.
Mm-hmm.
Then divided by 5.
Yes. Perfect. So this is what I think that Lillian did something too. So this is what Solomon did. So Solomon calculated the area of the triangle first. The area of the triangle is going to be, this one is going to be 7 meters. So the triangle is going to be 10 times 7. That's going to be equal to 70. Divided by 2. That's 35. And he did the area of the rectangle too. That was 7 times 20. That's going to be equal to what? 140. You now add them together. 140 plus 35 equals to 175 meters squared. So since one person actually fits into what? Into 5 meters square, just divide 175 divided by 5. That gives you what? 35. It's going to 35 people. You understand it?
Yes.
Okay. So how do you feel about it? These are the questions you will see.
Okay.
These are the questions you will see. And this type of question is worth 5 marks.
Okay.
So if you can get your head around this one, it's worth 5 marks. So if you can get it very well, that's perfect. Because you will get 3 marks for working out the area, and for knowing how many people can fit into that park, you will get another additional 2 marks for it.
So I'm just wondering, if we're in the test, we do use a calculator, but we're showing them how we work it out as well as we get extra marks.
This is a calculator paper. So just need to type it. Just type it briefly how you got the area and things like that. Because sometimes some of you are not good with typing. Just to type fast. Just say the total area is 175. Just tell them how you got it. But the most important thing is that small box, there's one small box there for the answer. Make sure you fit into your answer there. That you got 35 there. But you will use calculator for this type of question.
Okay.
Okay. This won't come out in non-calculator because sometimes you can turn to decimals.
Yeah.
You get it, and some of you might probably struggle on how to do decimals. So this one will come out in the calculator paper. So let's try additional one again. I want us to do questions with perimeter. That one is not that common, but you have to do it in case you see it.
Okay.
So this, I'll just say this, this is it. No, yeah, just say this is 10 meters by 5 meters. You see that so is that Betty wants to install molding. This is Betty's room. Rent a room. He says the molding is £5 per meter. So how much does Betty need? So look at this question now. This is actually Betty's room. Betty wants to install molding. You get it? The molding is going to go this way. It's going to go around our room. Molding is normally what you put at the edge of the carpet. So the molding will actually go around our room. So the molding is £5 per meter. So how much do you think? How much does Betty need? So who can do that?
250.
Is that what?
£250.
No, this is yes. They're not talking about they want to install it inside.
Okay.
When you're talking about the area, talking about what is inside.
Okay.
When you're talking about perimeter, is what what is out there, the length. The length around that room, yeah.
Okay.
I know it's the 20. It's 30.
Yes, it's 30 is the perimeter. Yes, 30 is the perimeter because the perimeter you have to if this one is 10, the other part is going to be 10.
Okay.
And this one is going to be 5. So you now add them all together.
All right.
That gives you 30. So it's going to be 10 plus 10 plus 5 plus 5.
Plus 5. All right.
That gives you 30. It's going to be 30 meters.
Okay.
So, and the cost is what? 5 meters, 5 pounds per meter.
It's going to be 6 then.
Is that what? No, it's 5 pounds per meter. So how much will it cost to do all this?
Yeah, if it's 5 pounds per meter and you have 30.
Yeah.
Right.
30 times 5.
Yes, you are right. Because if it's 5 pounds, you are right. 30 times 5 is right. If for 1 meter you are paying 5 pounds, how much are you going to pay for 30 meters?
I'm going to pay 150.
Yes, you're right.
150.
It's 150. Yeah, it's 150 pounds.
So this particular one is called. I remember. Okay, perimeter. So
yeah,
the one we did last.
That was area.
Oh, that was area. All right.
So if they ask you that's going to cover, they given all these things, that is the area. But when you say it's like when you ask you questions about perimeter, it's about maybe you want to fence your compound, you want to what's it called, attach something to the edge of your room. You get it? Those are perimeters.
All right.
You get it? But the area is like if you want to put carpet, you get it, it's going to actually work. That's going to be the area. If you want to apply fertilizer to your garden, that's the area. You want to cover the areas of that place.
Okay.
So if you want me to give you this type of question, you can email me. I will send it to you.
Okay.
Who wants this type of question as assignment? So I can mark it and get back to you.
Yeah. I did ask last time, but I never got any.
Is that what?
And I asked last week, but nobody sent me anything.
Yeah. Can you just email me just send your email, please, to my this thing. If you just email me and indicate that you actually need it, so I'll be able to send it to you straight away.
Is it Ramanjeet Singh?
No. It's Temitope at ukversity.co.uk.
Admin.
No, Temitope.
Admin.
If you forward it to Raman will forward it to me.
Ah, right. Okay. Is there any chance you can just put it in the group chat and I can just email now?
Okay. Let me just send it to you. Hello, Solomon. You can contact me, Solomon.
Yeah, sure. Yeah.
So I'm putting it there now.
Okay.
Can you see it?
It's not. So, let me view the chat.
Yeah, go to the chat.
I got a chat.
You're sent to you now as Christina.
Yeah.
Can you see it now?
No, it's not letting me view any chat or anything.
I can't see anything on the.
You can just put it for public. This.
Okay, let me put it on the screen.
Hold on, I can see now. Yes, I can see now.
Okay.
Let me put it on the screen.
Yeah, go on then on the screen then. Be good. I think I've got a work colleague that's got your name.
Yeah.
That's it. ukversity.co.uk. So you just indicate, just send me that you need questions on this. So because some people might probably, like the extra burden for them to do assignment. But if you want to practice more on this, just do it. Then send the pictures to me. Then I will mark it and give you the feedback about it.
Okay.
So have you copied it?
Yeah.
So ukversity.co.uk. So thank you. So I'll see you next week.
All right. Thank you so much.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah.
Have you sent the link out for next week?
Yeah, it's just the same thing.
The same.
Just the same link, right? Okay,
Yeah.
Brilliant. Okay, then.
It's going to be at 12 as well.
Is that what?
It's going to be at 12 as well.
12 to 1 year.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you.
All right then. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye.